Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fix Messenger couldn't connect to camera or microphone issue. It's super easy to resolve it. Open up your Messenger and go to the chats that you want to use camera or microphone. As you can see, when I click on this, it shows me to allow microphone over here. So simply cancel this and you will see over here camera button. Click on that and then you will see this option over here, allow camera access in the device settings. So you have to simply do is go back to your phone settings and then scroll all the way up and go to apps and then search over here Messenger, and then as you can see, click on the Facebook Messenger app and then you will comes in this page and you will see over here fourth and fifth menu, or like the option you will see microphone and computer. Simply click on that toggle to turn this on, and whenever you turn this on, go back to your Messenger app and go to the chats, and you can see over here click on camera, and then it's gonna be like to record videos or click a picture over here. And as you can see in microphone, you whenever you click on that, you can record picture or like a record voice over here. So that's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.